Hop into the 2020 Ford Expedition. This vehicle still has fewer than 70,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Approach every adventure from a position of strength in this bold and versatile Expedition. With a spacious interior, exceptional cargo capacity, state-of-the-art infotainment system, and impressive towing capacity, this full-size SUV has your back in luxurious style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, third row seat, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Confident blends with comfortable in this powerful and luxurious Expedition. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.